Today's episode of the Quadratec Academy, we're going to show you how to take your freedom panels out. Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Welcome to another episode of the Quadratec Academy. Today we're showing you how to take the freedom panels out of the hardtop in your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now once we get the panels removed, we're going to stow them away safely in the freedom panel storage bag that came with our Wrangler and then secure them in the back of our Jeep. Now if you've owned a Wrangler in the past, Jeep has made this process of removing the freedom panels even easier than before. In fact, there's only 4 levers we need to remove to get this up and out of the way. We'll start by moving our visor down. We got one latch behind the visor. We have another latch above the rearview mirror, one above our left shoulder, finally one above our right shoulder. We can go ahead and lift the panel up and out of the way. We've already got our freedom panel storage bag laid out on the ground here for us. Start by inserting the driver's side panel into the back of the bag first, into the styrofoam blocks in the bottom. And you want to install that towards the side of the bag that has the black piece of felt attached to it. Now that's going to drape over your panel and separate the driver and passenger side panels to keep them from scratching each other. You also want to make sure you flip that front latch back closed. After removing the driver's side panel, we can go ahead and remove the passenger side panel. It comes out just as easily with 4 latches again. You can lower the visor. We've got one latch behind the visor, one over that rearview mirror, one in the center of the Jeep, and one towards the outside here. We can go ahead and lift the panel up, go put it in the bag. Now the passenger side panel installs into the bag opposite of the driver's side. You want the interior of the panel facing inside. Drop it into the styrofoam blocks. Again, don't forget to close that latch. We can go ahead and zip up the bag. And we can stow it in the back of the Jeep. Now, the freedom panel storage bag has been designed to store your panels safely in the rear cargo area of your Wrangler, and it secures to the floor with a buckle into one of the cargo anchors here. And then there's a strap that you simply wrap around the headrest on the rear seat. It's just that easy to remove the freedom panels from the hardtop in your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL for convenient, quick and easy open air driving. If you guys have any questions or comments on how to remove the freedom panels from your Jeep, you can leave them for us in the comment section below. If you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch the next lesson right here in the Quadratec Academy. Till then, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail or right here in the classroom.